u MLA ka Congress na gambegre u Saleng e sangma loong bakam dei bandan jing e shu ya ka Sorkar India ban a Jingithuh e ka Ktien Khasi bat Garo haka krnit bapra bat keno ba ka dei ka Sorkar Jylla ban Dien loong ba sisin bala manjur hayeng dor bar thawa ka Jylla kam dei shu ya kiwei ban Dien bat ka kam ka basa teng bat ka Sorkar India ka dei hi menteri rang ba bat ka kanhun menteri ban sim kya dak ba pen pau ba ki wei ki Jylla kim shem manjuri ka resolution hayeng dor bar thawan hanrei ki yo apat ya ka Jingithuh ya ki jai Ktien jongki u Saleng loong ba ha Meghalaya pat la manjur bat klalong ka bil Sorkar kuman chukodo ba ki nong thokot ba pau khmat na rilom Khasi jantia kilapan long jikhi ha jantar mantar ha Delhi bandawa pendrung ya Ktien Khasi bat kham ha Dien sakinong ilam na rilom Garo ha ka jelam khmat ka MP Lok Sabha natura ka angkatha sangma kilalei banyakran ban pendrung ya ka Ktien Garo.
When the resolution has taken on the floor of the House, it's the duty of the government to pursue the matter. Now, if the cabinet and the chief minister is not concerned and serious about it, all the blame goes to them only, not to the public. Once the resolutions is taken on the floor of the House, it has become the public, it has become the public bill actually. So they should know how to handle it. Now you cannot blame any NGO anymore. And no NGO is needed out here anymore to pursue the matter. No Khasi literacy society is needed. No Garo literacy society literature is needed actually out here. Now both of the party has gone to Delhi regarding this one. Now it's the matter pending in the Delhi should be persuaded by our chief minister in his cabinet colleague. Inclusion of the languages, I have told you again and again, it has already decided on the floor of the House and it has passed on the floor of the House. And this is not a new issue. It was passed in 2019, I think so. If the bill is pending in Delhi or the letter or any kind of a document is pending, it's the government's fault only. You got it? Now you see, there are lots of other languages that they want to push for the 8th schedule. But in our case, in Meghalaya's case, it's the government bill which we have passed. We have passed on the floor of the House. Others, those who send other state, those who send their language to be included, in the 8th schedule, they have not passed. So our case is much better and much clearer. So there should not be any problem or any issue in the parliament to pass our language.